mo.
This call is now being recorded.
So, I hope and I guess na okay yung ating lecture for kahapon for our elimination of arbitrary constant. And I guess we will proceed to the other examples of the topic, no? Any question dun sa ating lecture kahapon? Is a problem. Have you reviewed the video or magre-review lang kayo pag exam na? So, mag-ano na sila, ang tawag diyan, magmo-movie marathon. Movie marathon during exam or before the exam. So later, I will upload also the video recording natin for this session. So just wait for that. Kasi medyo mabigat kasi siya. So it takes time to upload it on the internet. So that's why I chose YouTube kasi mas friendly siya on the videos na mabibigat. Okay, so start tayo on the, no? So, dito tayo nag-end kahapon, no? Okay? Dito tayo nag-end kahapon, right? Okay, so wala namang questions dito sa part na to. Wala. Alright, so let's proceed to problem number 3. Okay. So, ito is parang same-same lang. Same-same lang ba to? So, x squared y equal to 1 plus 2x. Okay, correct. Alright. So, what would be the first step? Ano yung first step natin?
Derive.
Derive? Derive ka agad?
Count easy.
Count AC, no? Count natin yung AC natin or yung arbitrary constant natin. So, ilan yung arbitrary constant natin? 1. Okay, very good. So, we are going to derive the equation only once, okay? And right after that, let's look kung paano natin matatanggal yung ating mga arbitrary constant or yung arbitrary constant natin. So, arbitrary constant natin dito is yung C natin, okay? So, what would be the next move? Derive it. So, paano tayo mag-derive? UV, du prime plus uv prime or uv prime plus v prime. So, it's the same, guys. No? Same lang yun. Kasi multiplicative, ano lang yun siya, na rule. No? So, times lang pa din. So, nagbaliktad-baliktad lang siya. So, you can use this or this one. Okay? So, dito, try natin ito isa. Okay, yung UV prime, UV prime. So, let's have a representation of U, which is the x squared, and yung V natin, which is the y. So, copy natin, no? U prime natin is 2x. Mas maganda yung pag una yung x, no? Ito na lang sa second one. So, U natin is x squared. Okay? Then, derivative of y is dy plus v, okay? Then, u prime, which is 2, 2x dx. Tama? Alright. Okay. Equal to, derivative of 1 is 0 since constant siya, plus cx. So, derivative of cx is c dx. So, since constant yung C, let's treat it like this, no? Pwede para siyang 5x. No? So, derivative of 5x, di ba? Maiwan yung 5 since constant siya. Tama? So, ganun lang din yung nangyari dito. So, naging c dx siya. Okay? Any question? So, first line natin. Okay, so let's simplify. X squared dy plus 2xy dx equal to c dx. Alright? Then we will divide all by dx para mag-cancel out ito. Okay? Alright? So that's x squared dy over dx plus 2xy cancel out si dx. Okay? Plus equal to c. And then, yung c natin is substitute natin dito. Okay? Substitute natin dito. Naintindihan? So, our equation now will be x squared y equal to 1 plus yung c natin which is x squared dy over dx plus 2xy. Okay, that would be our c, then multiplied by x. Okay, question? Wala naman? Question? Alright, proceed tayo. So, we will distribute now, no, yung x natin. Okay? So, that would become x squared y equal to 1 plus x cubed. Yung dy over dx natin, guys, can be also represented y prime. Di ba? First derivative yan. So, we can put it as y prime. Okay? Para hindi siya magulo sa equation. Okay? And then, we have plus 2x squared y. Alright? So, may mga same terms ba? Meron. Which is ito and ito. So, we will combine it by transferring. No? Transfer natin dito. Okay? So, we have 1 plus x cubed y prime. Okay? Plus 2x squared y minus x squared y equals to 0. Okay? Nasundan? Ngayon, simplify natin x cubed y prime plus x squared y equals to 0. Okay? So, pwedeng ganito ang equation or final answer ninyo. Or you can substitute again yung dy over dx ninyo. Plus x squared y equals to 0. Then multiply all by dx. So that's dx plus x cubed dy plus x squared dx equals to 0. Combine natin lahat ng dx, ito, at saka ito. So we have now dx plus x squared y dx, okay, plus x cubed dy equals to 0. So, tanggalin natin yung dx, so that would be 1 plus x squared y dx plus x cubed dy equals to 0. Same ba? Alright, same naman. Okay, so this one is, ito na. Alright, so any question? Wala naman, violent reaction for the problem. Na naman. Okay, so ang goal lang talaga natin is to remove the arbitrary constant of the problem. Kasi, uh, actually, yung problem lang talaga, again, is how you derive. No? Paano ka mag-derive? So, nag-review na ba kayo ng derivation? So, you need to review again. Okay? Derivation. Para mabilis lang yung pag-solve ninyo. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. So this one is the next problem. We have cy squared. Cy squared, okay, equal to x squared, okay, plus y, okay, cy squared equals to x squared plus y, okay. So what would be the first step? First step natin, okay, count natin yung number of arbitrary constants. So, ilan? Yung ating arbitrary constant? 1. Okay, so we have to derive only once. Pwede nating, kasi isa lang, meron ding technique tayo eh. Para mas madali tayong pag isa lang yung constant guys, and ganito yung kanyang form. So, pwede natin siya i-divide muna ng y squared. Now, before tayo mag-proceed sa derivation, so simplify pa natin yung equation. So, pwedeng ganito. So, magiging c equal to x squared, y squared, plus 1 over y. Okay, pwedeng ganyan, or pwede din c equal to, ito pala, y kasi na-cancel out yung y natin. Ito lang ha. Or can be written as c equal to x squared plus y over y squared. Okay? Pwedeng ganyan. Then, that's the time that we will derive. Para pag-derive natin, guys, itong c dito is magka-cancel out na. Or magka-cancel out. Or is magiging 0. Tama? So, isang move lang. Hindi na tayo mag-substitute dun sa equation. Or, what we can do is, hindi na tayo hindi na tayo ganito ng form. So, diretso tayo solve dun sa original na equation, which is c y squared equal to x squared plus y. So, pwede din ito. So, depende yan sa technique, no, na, or way ng pag-solve. So, dito sa part, sa last example, di ba ganito din? So, you can make it in the form of x squared y, okay, minus 1 over x equal to c. Pag derive mo niyan, it will give you the same answer as this. So, final answer natin. Okay. The question now will be, so, walang question dito sa pag-derive ng constant, no? Pag i-derive mo to, it will just become 0. Tama? The question now will be, how are you going to derive this? Tama ba, guys? How are you going to derive that? So, try natin ha. Try to solve this using this example. So, this one, wala tayong problema sa concept kasi 0 na yan. So, dito tayo, magsa-scratch tayo. So, we have here x squared y minus 1 over x, or can be represented by x, y minus y over x. Tama? And we can derive it na ito at ito. So, itong isa is pwede nating ma-represent into xy minus x raised to negative 1. Tama? Tama ba, guys? Okay, going back dun sa pinaka-basics natin sa Mech 1. Ngayon, itong xy, solve natin uv. Okay? So, u v prime plus vu prime. Okay? Minus, so this one is derivative of x raised to negative 1, that's plus x minus minus 1. So, that's 2. Tama? Tama ba? dx. Okay? So, next is, pwede natin ibaba yung x squared. So that's x dy plus y dx, then plus dx over x squared. Okay, kung tatanggalin natin yung x squared, so that will become x raised to 3, okay, dy plus x squared y dx plus dx. So, ito yung mga dx natin. Combine lang natin. So, that would be x squared y plus 1 dx, okay, plus x cubed dy equals to 0. Yung constant kanina na c. Kaya natin dito. So, same lang ba? Same lang, no? Amazing. Pero, tingnan mo ang difference. Look at the difference of the equation. Yung computation niya. Tama, no? So, what would be the moral lesson? You have to really investigate first. No? Investigate mo muna yung ating equation before you proceed on solving. Kasi baka pwede lang naman siyang ganituhin or pwede lang naman siyang i-simplify pa before you go to the elimination of arbitrary constant process. Okay? Alright. So, same thing din dun sa isa nating problem. Okay? So, you can go directly solving this. Okay? Or you can also solve it like this. You get me? You get me, guys? Okay. So, itong part ng equation can be also written as this. Okay? Pwede siyang ganyan. Di ba? Kasi it can be burst into x squared y squared plus y over y squared. Ito magka-cancel out to. Tama? It will give you only one y sa baba. So, magiging negative dito sa taas. Ganyan. You get my point? Tapos, you will just derive it. Derive mo lang siya. So, this one will become 0. So, let's focus on this. No? So, we have x squared. Pero derivative of this is 3 dy. Okay. Plus. Okay. Plus y negative 2. 2x dx. Okay. Then plus or minus, we have minus y negative 2 dy. So let's write it in this area. So you have x squared 2y negative 3 2 dy plus y raised to 2 negative 2 2x dx. Okay, minus y negative 2 dy equals to 0. Okay, then negative 2 x squared y negative 3 okay, dy plus 2xy negative 2 dx minus y negative 2 dy equals to 0. You can combine uh, you can combine the dy's and the dx. So we have here and here. So pwedeng negative 2x squared y raised to negative 3. Okay, minus y 2 dy and then your dx plus 2xy negative 2 dx equals to 0. So, pwede din na ibaba natin yung may mga negative na sign. And interchange natin yung location ng x and dx and dy. So, we have here 2x, okay? 2x dx over y squared, okay, plus, minus 2x squared, y is negative 3. So, y cubed, okay, minus 1 over y squared plus 2, 0. So, meron bang mga mag-cancel out? Pwede tayong mag-multiply ng y cubed. Tama? So, pag multiply natin ng y cubed, that would be 2xy dx. Cancel out si y squared. Okay, minus 2x squared na lang. Okay, this is dx. Sorry. 2x squared dx. Tama ba, guys? dy. Okay? Tama? Okay? So, next is magiging minus y dy plus 2, 0. Okay. So, combine yung mga dx natin, 2xy minus 2x squared dx minus y dy plus 2, 0. Okay? Ayan siya. Mm, ay, sorry. Dito pala sa pinakababa. Compare the solution, guys, for problem number 4. Or meron tayong kaligtaan. 2xy, they multiplied it, divided by 2. So, ulitin natin. Let's try it again. Baka may ano tayo. May nakaligtaan. Hindi same yung sagot. Teka. Okay. So, we have C. Teka. Okay. C equal to x squared y negative 2 plus y negative 1. Okay, so that's UV. Okay. Then we have UV prime. So x squared negative 2 y raised to negative 3. Okay. Then we have dy plus, okay, minus y negative 2 2x dx. Okay. Plus minus y minus 2. I'm sorry. This is dy. Okay, equal to 0. Okay, tama? Any question? Tama ba siya, guys? Okay. So, next is, ayusin natin siya. Negative 2x squared, okay. Then y negative 3 dy plus 2xy negative 2 dx plus, minus na. Kasi minus yung y. So, minus y negative 2 dy equals to 0. Okay? Okay ba guys? Sakto? So, that's 2x y negative 2 dx. Okay? Then, plus negative 2x squared y raised to negative 3. Okay? Minus y negative 2 dy equals to 0. Okay? So, pwede natin ibaba yung mga may negative na symbol. dy squared, okay, plus minus 2x squared over y cubed, okay, minus 1 over y negative 2 dy equals to 0. Okay? Or pwede natin tanggalin na yung parenthesis, 2x dx y squared. So, minus 2x squared y cubed, okay. Pwede din i-dy natin. Okay, minus. Pwede natin i-distribute ulit yung dy or pwede din ganito. Or we have dy over. I'm sorry. Dito pala tayo na mali. Dito. That should be y squared na lang. Kasi baba natin siya. So, mawala yung kanyang negative. So, that's y squared equal to 0. Okay, multiply natin by y cubed. So, that's 2xy dx, okay, minus 2x squared dy minus y dy equals to 0. Okay, so 2xy dx, okay, minus 2x squared plus y dy equals to 0. So, same na ba? Ayan. Perfect. Saan kayo tayo nagkamali kanina? Okay. So, any question with problem number, ano na ba tayo? Problem number 4. So, I think dalawa yung way na ginamit ko dito to solve this. So, parang pang tatlo ito na solution. Ikatatlo to na solution. So, ito is solution 1. Pwede ito. Okay. Next is ito. Pwedeng ganito. And the other one. Ito. O, di ba? May tatlo akong solution. And it will derive again in the same answer. So, tatlo yung solution na pwede dito pala. Imagine. Okay? So, depende siya guys. No? Depende siya sa way ng pag-compute mo. Yung ano lang is dapat consistent ka. No? And maalam ka sa pag-derive. Sa simplification naman, wala nang problema kasi ordinary calculus lang naman siya. So, ang mahirap lang na part talaga is paano ka mag-derive. Okay? So, pwedeng ito yung equation or solution. Pwedeng ito yung solution. Pwede ding ito yung solution. So, ito, ang ginawa niya naman guys is yung hiniwalay niya lang. Yung sa akin kasi is diretso ko siya. Diretso. Ang y raised to negative 1. So, dito is, ginawa niya ganito. Nakaganyan, naka-fraction. Kaya. So, anong ginamit na dito? Anong ginamit na form of derivation? Remember niyo pa, vu prime minus uv prime over v squared? Tama? Ayan siya. So, kasi dito nakita mo ito, ito na part, v squared yan. So, this one is your v. So, ito yan siya. For this, ito, and ito naman para dito. Okay? So far, okay naman. So, itong vu prime minus vv prime over v squared, pwede pa rin siyang i-apply dito. Dito sa, ito na problem. Ito. Mas madali siya, I think. Kasi, simple lang yung kanyang equation. Hindi masyadong complex. So, alright. So, let's move on to the next problem. Meron pa bang problem? Okay, this one is x equals to c1 cosine omega t plus c2 sine omega t. Okay. Alright. So, saan ang W? No? Yan is omega. Okay. Sige. So, yung omega lang guys represents a value, no? A constant value na pwede ka mag-let, no? Actually, you can let omega equivalent to 2 para hindi ka ma-confuse during computation. So, that's x equal to c1 cosine 2t. Maging ganun siya. Okay, nagets nyo? So, yung W dito is just representation of the constant value. So, yung variable niya lang. Okay, plus 2c2 sine 2t. So, pwedeng ganito na. 'Di ba? Mas friendly yung kanyang approach compared din sa omega. Confusing kasi siya kasi variable din. Okay? So, since dalawa yung ating constant, what will be the next move? Mag-derivative tayo ng dalawang beses. Okay, now the question will be, how are we going to derive cosine 2t and sine 2t? Kasi ang diniderive lang natin is sine t sine 1t or sine t or cosine 1t. Di ba? So, ang indication lang ng sine t is 1 lang yung kanyang omega. Tandihan nyo? Ayan, 1 lang yung kanyang omega. Kaya walang difference sa diretsyo. Pag sine, nagiging cosine, cosine, nagiging negative sine. Sine t, walang laman, no? So, ito magiging sine. This one will be cosine t. Walang laman yung kanyang omega. So, how about kung merong ganito? Kung merong laman yung omega niya, what would be the derivative? Ano yung derivative ng cosine 2t? Is it 2 2 cosine 2t. Answer me. Tama ba? Tama ba, guys? Okay? And derivative ng, how about derivative ng, this one is sine 2t. Cosine 2t. It's negative 2, negative 2 sine 2t. So, lagay natin dyan. No? So, we have x prime, first derivative. We have, for cosine, we have negative 2 c1, okay, sine 2t. Okay? What's next? Plus 2c2 cosine 2t. Okay? That's the first derivative. How about second derivative? Okay, that's what? Negative 4 c1 cosine 2t. Okay, minus 4 c2 sine 2. Tama ba, guys? So, tatlo na yung iyong equation. We have it like this. So, meron kang equation 1, 2, equation 1, equation 2. Oops, na-off na naman. Ayan. Ito lang. Okay? Equation 1, 2, and equation 3. Anong gagawin natin para ma-eliminate natin yung C1 at saka C2? Ano yung ano natin? Move natin. What's our move? Mix and match, no? Pwede C1 and 2. Okay? So we have here, bilisan natin kasi mag-11 at 12:25. So C1 cosine 2t plus C2 sine 2t. Okay, and we have x1 negative 2 C1, para di tayo ma-confuse. Teka. So, we have here C1. I-ano natin, no, interchange natin. Pwede natin siyang baliktarin para maging tugma siya dun sa kaniyang variable. So, pwede natin siyang gawin ganun. So, sa second ano natin, so si cosine is 2. So, we have 2c2. Okay. So, we can combine 1 and 3. Ano niyo guys, tingnan niyo yung kanyang variable na pwede nating ma-cancel out. Tingnan niyo ang equation 1. Sorry. This one. Sorry. Ito. C2 sin 2t at saka ito. We cannot do pala 1 and 2. Bakit di natin pwedeng gawin yung gamitin yung 1 and 2? Kasi cosine siya. C2, ang partner ni C2 is cosine. So, we cannot do it na mag-cancel out siya dun sa C2 as sin 2t. So, need natin gamitin yung sa baba. Yung ating C2 sin 2t. Gets niya? Also, dito sa C1, we cannot partner it with the equation number 2. Kasi hindi siya magka-cancel out. So, we will use the equation 1 and 3. Okay? So let's proceed. X cos 2 C1 cosine 2t, okay, plus C2 sine 2t. Then the other one is negative C1 cosine 2t plus, so this one is negative, wait natin to. So this one is negative 4. Okay, equals C x and x double prime. Okay, plus, and it's not plus, but it's minus 4 C2 sine 2t. Okay? So, tama na siya guys, no? So, we have to add this. So, ano yung i-multiply natin sa taas? We will multiply it by 4. Tama? So, what would be the result? So, that would be negative 4. Okay, this one is 4. This one is 4. Para mag-cancel out yung, ano mag-cancel out? Lahat. Tama? So, cancel out to 4, 4. Ito din. So, this will become 0 plus 0 equal to 4x plus x double prime. And your answer should be 4x plus 4 double prime equals to 0. Okay? Hala, mali. Ano mali? Kaya tungod, nagamit ta og omega. Gets nyo? Oh, anong gawin natin para magkaroon tayo ng sagot na same dito? I-substitute natin ulit. Omega is equal to 2. So, ang 4x natin, this one is your omega, di ba? This one is your omega. Paano siya magiging 4 ang 2? So, you will raise it to 2, tama? So, that would be w squared para maging 4, tama? So, we have w squared, okay? Nakuha nyo? W squared x. So, ayan na siya. W squared. Okay? And then, yung ating x double prime is d squared x over dw. dt or kasi naka-time domain tayo. Okay, dt squared. Ayan. Alright. So, amazing. So, ano natin, write it like this. Okay, plus w squared x equals to 0. So, same lang. Alright. So, any question with our discussion? Wow, napaka-ano naman ng inyong mga confetti. Na-amaze ba kayo? Alright, so I guess that would be all for this afternoon, this lunchtime. And we'll upload the recording mamaya sa G-Class natin. And kung gusto nyo mag-review, pwede nyo lang panoorin doon. Okay, so before we end, kindly turn on your cameras.